Now let's learn about column creation. How do we do it? I'm in Power BI desktop. We'll go to get data. Let's select our input file, text or CSV. Let's select our sales data column creation file. I'll double click. So the data looks something like this. We have the quantity and unit price. So let's go to transform data so that Power Query editor opens up. Now let's say I want to add one new column named, say, total sales, right? So mathematically it will be kind of quantity multiplied by unit price, right? So the summation, so that we can get the total sales per category. Now we are at the home now. Now let's select the add column here, the tab. Then I'll go to custom column. Let's give a name to our custom column. I'll give name maybe total sales, because that's what we are doing. So the formula for total sales we know will be the quantity. I'll give one space here, asterisk, and then the unit price. So quantity into the per unit price is the formula for total sales. Let's click on now OK. And there we go. If we look, 2 into 500, it will be 1000. Same goes here. 5 into 300, 1500. So we got the total sales here. So now this looks good. I'll go to the home tab. I'll click close and apply. Let's click. All right. So we got here it's reflected in our model. Now in the Power BI desktop, we got the modeling here. Now in the modeling, we'll go to new column. And now let's say I want to find out my profit. So my profit is only 20%, let's say. So it will be basically the formula for profit. I'll write profit equal to the column name is total sales, right? The sales we have made. I'll write total sales. I'll double click on it. Now multiplied by 0.2. Let's say I'm making 20% of the sales as profit. So this is our formula as per my business. I'll click here the tick mark, and there we go, the profit appears now. Now let's select product and profit. I'll click on donut chart. Let me expand this, and there we go, it's clearly visible now, the profit. So the 46.15% profit is coming from the phone here, that is in purple. Now 30.77, that is 200 around, profit I'm making, $200 I'm making from laptop. So we can verify the numbers in the um, like the Power Query as well. So let's focus on one of them so that we can verify. For the laptop it says 200. Let's go to transform data, and here if we focus on laptop, so if we multiply 0.2, it will be coming out 200, which is nothing but this one, 200, right? So that's how we add a new column and define rules as per our business to analyze the data. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next lecture.